everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope I was having a great day today. It's pretty sunny here in BC. We went and got some lottery tickets, so I hope we win big. And today I have a Disney unboxing that I've been wanting for a while. I couldn't find it. Finally found it with a Facebook group. Haunted Mansion buy and sell with SJ Disney. So they sent it out pretty quick. It's only been a few weeks, and that's pretty good for Canada because it has to go through customs and all that fun stuff. And it can get stuck in customs. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you have to pay import tax, sometimes you don't. So it's kind of a gambit. So if you'd be so kind as subscribe to my channel, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing an excellent giveaway, and it's going to be a Disney Loungefly mini backpack, brand new, with tags and everything, never used. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. I got my blade. Alright, almost in. Alright, we're in. And let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, so they wrap it really nice, which is great. A lot of bubble wrap. A lot of bubble wrap. Some other wrapping. So they do wrap their things pretty nice. And they gave me a card. And they gave me a guide map to Disney's Animal Kingdom. So that's pretty cool. Alright, never got one of those before. And here's their information, and I'll also leave that below if you're interested in buying from them. They're very good, they're very reasonable, and it's very quick shipping. So, and they ship worldwide, so wherever you are, they'll ship it out to you. Which is pretty unusual because a lot of the vendors only ship to the US, so they ship UK, Canada, wherever you live, apparently they'll ship out an item if they have it. And they have a pretty big inventory. Alright, so this is a new Dooney bag, Haunted Mansion Satchel. And let's see what the placement is on this. Pretty good. I saved about $250. It has the tags, never used. It has the bride on the back. That's pretty cool. And the front doesn't look like there's anything cut off, which is good. Okay, and the bride is right here. And balanced out on the other side. Okay, that's not too bad. The bottom has feet, and the characters are pretty good even on the bottom. So yeah, you just don't know what you're kind of gonna get, but this has really good placement. This is from the 2019 collection of Dooney Burke Disney Satchel. I missed out on this bag. I regretted not getting it. And now I finally found it. Thank goodness. So I have the satchel, I have the wallet, I have the crossbody, and I have the magic band. So there we go. So here's the strap. It has really good organization. I like the satchel. This is the dog tag for keys and hooking up different things. got all the packaging. All the packaging. All right, silicone bags. Yeah, it's purple inside. It's got nice organization. And on the other side there is really nice. It's got a nice zipper. Yeah, really good. Wow, this is really nice. I didn't think I'd ever see a satchel. I didn't ever think I would see this bag. And I wasn't gonna pay 3 times the price on eBay, and the placement wasn't even good. There was, all the characters were cut off. And you even get the registration card, so make sure you fill those out. All right. And let's go ahead and see what the strap looks like. So, yeah, it's brand new. It's never been used. All right, so let's see here. All right, this is a nice strap as well. It's all leather. All right, and it's adjustable, which is really nice. So here's the strap. You can adjust it. It comes in 3 parts, it looks like. And there's the clips. So yeah, this is really nice. Alright, so I should be getting my Disney haul from Betty maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. It may be held up in customs. Who knows? But this is beautiful. Alright, I'll take some pictures of this baby. And I'm going to be swapping out to this one from my Small World. So I'll be doing that probably later on today. That's my Small World satchel from Dooney. Alright. So until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Make sure you ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And that's been quite often lately. And leave comments, and if you want to see any of my collections, please let me know and I'll go ahead and put that together. Alright, thanks for choosing Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. Bye now.